IOSCO publishes key considerations for regulating crypto assets trading platform. Also, the Nigerian Stock Exchange sets to hold strategic meetings as the demutualization nears completion. Hello and thanks for joining the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, February 12, 2020. The Nigerian Stock Exchange closed positive and it appreciated by 0.02%. The all-share index was recorded at 27,878.43 basis points with a market capitalization of 14.519 trillion naira. The equities market recorded 9 gainers to 17 losers, which meant the market breadth closed negative. Performance in the market inched up as the year-to-date returns hit 3.85%. Africa Prudential, UACN and Access Bank were top gainers, while Vitafoam, Sky Aviation and Royal Exchange were among the top losers. In terms of trade volumes, Guarantee Trust Bank, Zenith Bank and United Bank for Africa were the top players. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 30.44 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 364 naira 33 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 364 naira 88 kobo and closed at 364 naira 85 kobo to a dollar. As we take a look at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 697.86 basis points with a market capitalization of 501.73 billion. 6 deals were executed for the day and the volume of shares traded was 10,171 and 2.45 in terms of the value traded. For the key highlights from yesterday, the Nigerian Stock Exchange announced that it has set to convene a mandatory court-ordered meeting of its members to pass requisite resolutions for the demutualization of the exchange. Similarly, the exchange will hold an extraordinary general meeting to pass the resolutions for the appointment of the inaugural board members of the Nigerian Exchange Group PLC post-demutualization of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Both meetings will hold on March 3, 2020 at the Grand Banquet Hall of Civic Center, Ozumba Mbadiwe Avenue, Victoria Island, Lagos. Moving on to discuss the publication of the Board of the International Organization of Securities Commissions, IOSCO, released yesterday as its report that describes the issues and risks associated with crypto asset trading platforms, CTPs, and set out key considerations to assist regulatory authorities in addressing these issues. The development of crypto assets is an important area of interest for regulatory authorities around the world and has been identified in the program as an ongoing board priority in 2020. Today will definitely be an eventful day in the market and economic space as the Securities and Exchange Commission of Nigeria will host 2020 Budget Seminar looking at the budget, the Finance Act 2020 and implications for the capital market. Details Solicitors will host its 10th business series, also looking at the Finance Act, while the DCSL Corporate Services Limited will host its 7th annual roundtable for company secretaries in the country. EcoBank PLC, in partnership with Apex Commodities Exchange, will also host the 2020 Agribusiness Summit. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a great day.